You want milk?
Leave it.
I had a big nightmare of us like crashing, and then we were in like a lava thing, but it was like warm, not like hot. And then like, then I was like, Mom, hold my hand. I was afraid I would drown. And then I woke up to say, Mom, hold my hand. Like, no.
Yes.
I think when I woke up